Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Chicks tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an Indeed account, especially if you're a fresher. First, go to Indeed and click sign in. You can use your email address or simply log in with Google. If you're a job seeker, make sure to click Job Seeker to create your account. Now start with the basics. Enter your city, state, and postal code. Once that's done, tap on the person icon and click Profile. Here, you can choose to upload an existing resume, creating a new one directly on Indeed, or skip this step for now. Next, you'll be prompted to complete your profile. Start by entering your full name. If you already have a resume prepared, upload it here. If not, don't worry. Indeed allows you to create one on their platform. Just fill in details like education, skills, and any work experience. For freshers, focus on highlighting your educational qualifications, internships, and relevant skills. Include certifications, technical knowledge, or computer proficiency to stand out. Once your resume is complete, review all the information to ensure accuracy and then tap Save. After that, you'll need to verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification email from Indeed and click the link inside to confirm your account. And that's it. Your Indeed account is now set up, and you're ready to start searching for jobs, applying, and tracking your applications, all in one place. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Tech Tricks Tutorial for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.